I started a LinkedIn lead generation company. I hated it, and now I'm a...
And what do you do for work? Because many people want to know what a expat or nomad does for work, because you described in the beginning, I wasn't making a lot.
Right.
And you had the checklist, so let them know what you do for work and how you found that job.
Okay, I had a bit of a detour. I worked for myself straight out of college. I've never had a full-time office job. So then it's like, you don't know what you want in life. So I started as a virtual assistant, which is a very entry job to start in. But it's great because you learn a lot of different skills. And then I hired a few VAs and my team managed them. And that's kind of how I learned project management a bit. Then last year, I started a LinkedIn lead generation company because I learned those skills as a VA. I hated it. It was horrible.
Hated it.
Yeah. And I dropped that after a few months. I was like, this is not for me. And now I'm a project manager and I actually love it for marketing agencies. Then I want to grow further in this, get some certifications and more experience. So that's what the path I'm on now. But it was a little bit of a...
And how did you get those project management jobs?
As a virtual assistant, because I had some VAs in my team, I had some experience. And then someone just gave me a shot. It was like an Upwork, a job, project management. I'm like, I can do that. I mean, I thought I could do that. And then it was great. It was like simple project management. And then with that experience, I just got my current clients, which is more challenging. But yeah, I don't know. It's just try it out. You just try it out. This is Kelly. You're watching a Brother Thriving Live Different. I worked for myself straight out of college. I've never had a full-time office job. So that's like, what?
When you put your love